I can look inside your head. Well, mostly. Definitely not with this, but using an fMRI machine. So, what is it? A functional magnetic resonance imaging machine looks at your blood oxygenation to determine parts of the brain that are active. You see, your brain cells or neurons need energy, but your brain doesn't store any, so it has to get it from the blood. The more active the neurons are, the more blood is sent to fuel that activity. As well, active neurons need quick energy to turn to anaerobic or without oxygen metabolism. Since more blood is sent to the neurons, but they don't use it, the oxygen concentration goes up. So, a higher concentration of oxygen implies more activity. But how does it work? Is it a crystal ball? Your blood transports oxygen through a molecule called hemoglobin. It contains hydrogen, which consists of a proton and an electron, or ignores the electron. Protons have a property called spin. It's not actually spinning, but it acts as does. If we apply an external magnetic field to the proton, it'll want to align with it. But remember a proton has spin? Spinning things are weird. This is called precession. Notice the pendulum-like horizontal oscillation. The stronger the aligning magnetic force, the faster it oscillates. This oscillating magnetic field creates radio light. We could also make this happen in reverse. By sending a pulse of resonance frequency radio waves, we can make a proton align perpendicularly to the field. There are many of these going on at the same time, meaning we only detect the net effect. If the aligning magnetic field is homogeneous, everything mostly stays in sync, meaning a slow decay in brightness. But even if a tiny change occurs, it quickly fades away. Deoxygenated hemoglobin is paramagnetic, meaning it pulls in the magnetic field. This means that the magnetic field is slightly inhomogeneous, meaning so if we capture a radio image when the oxyhemoglobin is in sync, but the other is not, we can differentiate between the two and know what parts of the brain are active. Meaning, we can guess what you're trying to do, and maybe one day, look into your mind.